Deepseek, another AI platform that has just launched and it has been taken over everywhere. I see a lot of people making reviews, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Deepseek R1 to make up to $997 per day. Just like this couple here has made $13,000 in 1 month using the Amazon KDP side hustle. But different from them, we're not gonna use Amazon KDP. We are gonna use another underrated and unsaturated platform. And just as another example here, this girl has paid 12,000 pounds of that in 1 year. All you have to do is go to Google and type Google Books sign up. As you can see here, it's gonna be on the 3rd place on Google. So you just click Google Play Books Partner Center. Now I want you to head over to the home page. And once you're here, this is what you should be seeing. All you have to do on the top right corner, you should be clicking Get Started. After you do that, it's gonna take you to this page. And as you can see, you're already gonna have an associate Google account. So if you do not have a Google account, that I guess everyone has at least one Google account, you should create one first. Then on publisher type, you're gonna choose self-published author. And here you're gonna put your publisher name. So let's say my name. You're gonna select the country here. In this case, I'm gonna put United States. And for this part here, the website, don't worry, you don't need to put your website here. And for the phone number, just make sure you put your working phone number because you might receive an SMS to confirm your account. After you fill out all this information, all you have to do is press next. After you have completed those steps, you're gonna be sent to this page. Now, I highly suggest you to first set up your payment methods here. It's really simple. All you have to do, you have already the step-by-step here. So you're gonna create a payment profile. Here you have to put your profile name. You gotta select the business location and the account type. So in this case, if you have an LLC, you're gonna put organization or individual. And then you put your name, address, city, and phone is optional, and just submit. After you have your account set up with all the payment information and ready, now you have to find a trending topic to create an ebook. And don't worry, you don't have to create anything. We're gonna use 100% AI to do all the work for us. There are actually 2 places I like to look for trending topics. First, let's go to Google News. So if you come to Google and type Google News, it's gonna be the first website here. All you have to do is click on it. It's going to open this main page here. You can see a lot of information, and here you have control of everything. You can choose news from US only, from worldwide or local. Let's say you want to find some news about your city. So usually I put worldwide or US only. But what's the problem here? Since we're gonna create an ebook, the only news I'm seeing here is about politics, about wars, accidents, and this is not gonna be really relevant for our ebooks. So what I suggest you is to come to entertainments or technology. Here you can see they're talking about the new Galaxy S25 Ultra. We got some gadgets here. We can also see ChatGPT news here. So for this part, you have to scroll down and look at some relevant news, some AI news like Deepseek is on the trend right now. And this is one of the places that I like to come. The other place that you should use is called Google Trends. On Google Trends, you're going to be able to see the search volume of the topic or any keyword that you put there. Let's say if I choose a topic from here, I can go to Google Trends and check what is the search volume for that topic. So right now, go to Google Trends. It's the first link as well. Here on Google Trends is really simple. You have 2 options here. You can explore a specific keyword or topic, or you can go to trending now. Mine is set up to United States, so this is everything that is trending right now in the United States. But you can change the country here. You can put worldwide, and also you can change to past 24 hours, 48 hours, or past 7 days. For now, I'm gonna explore here a specific keyword that I know is trending right now is Deepseek. So I'm gonna write here Deepseek, and as you can see, it had a spike right here. It's trending all over the US, And if you scroll all the way down here, you can see related topics as well, like Deepseek topics, then breakout, Deepseek stock breakout as well. R1 is the new model, it's on breakout. So for the purpose of this video, because I know this is a good topic to talk about, I'm gonna choose Deepseek to be the topic of my ebook. To be able to create successful ebooks, you need evergreen content, and technology, AI topics will always be in the trends. With the topic selected, all we have to do now is head over to Deepseek. The cool thing about Deepseek, unlike ChatGPT, you do not have to pay to get the maximum capacity of this tool. If you do not have an account, it's really simple. All you have to do is sign in with your Google account. I already have my account here, so I'm signed in, and this is how simple it is, the interface. You have the search in the web button, and also you have the Deepseek R1 button. I always leave this on. For the next step, we're gonna use a specific prompts for this. I'm gonna leave the sequence of prompts in the text file down in the description, so it's easier for you to follow up with me. And beside Google Trends and Google News, you can also ask Deepseek to give you trending ideas for your ebook. So I'm gonna put this prompt here. I gave the first prompt here. As you can see, I want to create an ebook on a profitable and engaging topic, generate 5 unique and in-demand ebook ideas based on the current trends, high audience interest, and monetization potential. The idea should be specific, practical, and appealing to a wide audience. Also include a brief description and the target audience for each idea. So I find this part really cool here because you can see the structure of how it's coming up with the answers, how it thinks. And now here they already gave me the ideas. AI side hustle playbook, turn artificial intelligence into passive income. Also we have remote work 2.0, the 5 months sleep fix, 2024 side hustle blueprint. Ethnology is up to 2024. This is why it says 2024, but you can toggle the internet button on, so it's up-to-date information. Since I already chose my topic, that is gonna be Deepseek, I'm gonna write an ebook helping beginners use Deepseek. And remember, the more you niche down, the less competition you're gonna have to sell your ebooks. In this case, I'm gonna focus on the 60+ audience. Now for the next prompt, we're gonna generate a detailed outline of the video. And as you can see here, the prompt that I use, I have already made a title for my ebook. I already have generated my prompt here. So as you can see, it gave me the title that I gave him, and the introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and has everything here. Now that you have the outline, it's time to go for the next prompt. This now is gonna create each chapter for me. So it's gonna put some information for each chapter of my ebook. So as you can see, each part of the chapter now is being filled with information and practice exercises. Now my script is almost ready. All we have to do now is to put the last prompt here to refine it and enhance your script. So I'm gonna paste the last prompt here, and now it's finally ready. It took me less than 30 seconds to generate this ebook of 8 chapters, and this is the beauty of using AI to make the work for you. Now all you have to do is copy the whole ebook, and for now just put somewhere safe on Google Docs. I like to use Google Docs. You can use whatever you like, but for now put it somewhere safe. And if you like to learn simple and free methods of making money online, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting new videos every week, bringing new topics and new ways to make money online. I have noticed that if you're not subscribed, YouTube will not show you those videos. So just hit the subscribe button now and press the notification bell, and YouTube will notify you every single time I post a video. Into the next step, we need to turn our ebook into PDF and keep everything organized. In the moment, Deepseek doesn't have personal GPTs like ChatGPT has that is able to export the ebook ready into the right format. So for this, I'm gonna show you 100% free AI platform to use instead. I want you to head over to this website. It's called gamma.app, and you can start for totally free. It's actually free. You don't have to worry to pay. If I go here to pricing, you can see you have the free account that gives you 400 AI credits. This is more than enough to create up to 10 ebooks. So all you have to do is come to the top right corner and click try for free. And I want you to put your email here, or you can just continue with your Google account. Once you log in, all you have to do is press on create new. And here you're gonna select, you can see you have generate, import file or URL, or paste in text. This is what we're gonna be using for this video. And now remember when I told you to keep the ebook somewhere safe, I want you to head over there right now, copy the ebook and paste everything here. I have copy and pasted as well. And now all you have to do is select between document, social, webpage, and presentation. I am going to select the document one, and you can just leave this here as default and then press continue. You can fix whatever you like here. You can see how it's gonna look. Chapter 1 is in one card, chapter 2, chapter 3, and you can check all at the end. On the side here, you can select the language. You can use AI images as well. You can put a prompt here to generate a specific AI image. I'm just gonna leave as it is. Before you press continue, I want you to go down all the way to the end here, and you're gonna press, I'm gonna delete this, you're gonna press to add a card. And here it's really important to add a disclaimer. The book disclaimer is necessary to protect the author from potential legal issues by clearly stating the nature of the content within the book. So I have made my disclaimer here, and you should make something similar. It's really simple. So this ebook was created with the AI assistance. While effort has been made to ensure accuracy, the content is for informational purpose only. So that's simple. After you have the disclaimer, all you have to do is press continue, and here is gonna ask you to pick a theme. So you have a lot of themes here that you can choose from. I'm gonna choose any theme here. Let me see. Yeah, I like this one. So now all you have to do is press generate. And just as quick as it was on Deepseek, in seconds, I have a whole ebook here generated with the art already, everything in place. So if you don't like how it looks, all you have to do, you can modify everything here. So you come to themes again on the top, and you can change to whatever you like. Once you are happy with the final results, all you have to do is come on share, and then you're gonna press to export and export as a PDF file. Just press here, download, and now it's just one last step for our ebook to be complete. Now we need a cover for our ebook, and for that you gotta head over to canva.com. Here on Canva, all you have to do is search for ebook cover, and here you're gonna see you already have a lot of pre-made templates that you can just edit with the name of your ebook. So this is actually really close to the ebook that I have just generated. And you just press on customize. I have quickly made here a cover for my ebook, and of course you need to take some time on this part. I have made it really quick, but you need to take some time, okay? It's not only the title of the ebook, but the cover has to be appealing so people want to buy your ebook. So make sure you take some time here, and once you're done, all you have to do is click on download this ebook as a PNG file. And finally, we have all the pieces we need. All you have to do now is publish your ebook. And for that, you just go back to Google Books. It's really simple. You can see here on the left side, book catalog. So you're gonna press on add a book. You're gonna select an option. So sell ebook on Google Play, sell audiobook on Google Play, blah, blah. You're gonna select the sell ebook on Google Play. And here you can select the second option, okay? Get a Google Book ID and save and continue. Here you're gonna put the title of your ebook, the description, the language, the publisher can be your name, the format, so it's an ebook, how many pages it has. In my case, it has 10 pages. The release date and the publication date. You're gonna put this, you don't need to mess with anything here. And here you select if it's for mature audience or not. And then you're gonna press save and continue. Once you fill out all those informations, you have to come to content, and here you're gonna upload your ebook. So you're gonna select the file. Once you have uploaded, you're gonna see here the code of your ebook and also the status. So in my case right now it's processing. The next step is the pricing. You have to choose a competitive price. Don't try to put your ebook expensive because people are not gonna buy. So a really competitive price, it's $9.99. If you put $9.99 here, you can leave worldwide. And Also, you have some additional, you can put text included or not. I'm gonna leave it no. And effective dates when you want your book to be sold. So after this, all you have to do is save and continue, review your ebook, and then you publish. Now, you do not want to depend only of Google search to get your books visible for other people. That's why I'm gonna teach you 3 methods to get free traffic to your ebooks. The first one is a social media that almost no one talks about, and it has the organic reach even better than X, and it's called Threads from Meta. To be able to create an account on Threads, you need to have an Instagram account. Assuming you already have one, all you have to do is head over to Threads website, or on your phone on the app you can download Threads. I'm gonna show you here on the website how simple it is. So here you can see I already have my account. All I have to do is link the account with Threads. I'm already signed in, and as you can see, it acts just like X. So people here post threads, they post their pictures, their routines, they post their thoughts, videos. You can post anything you want here. And the secret here is to be posting content every single day. And for that, we're gonna use Deepseek again. I have left the prompt again in the text file so you guys can follow up. I'm gonna go back to Seek, and I'm gonna paste this prompt here. So I want, let's say I want 10 thread ideas, right? And the title of my ebook, let me get it here on the top, and I'm just gonna press generate. And remember, you can do this for any niche that you choose, okay? It's already giving me ideas here. So all I have to do now is just come here and let's say I want to post this one. And you can see it already gave me a call to action as well that I can link to my ebook. So I come here to Threads, and all I do is copy and paste, and it's ready. Link to the book. Gonna just change this for the link of my ebook. And that is how you can make up to 10, 20, 30 threads a day if you want. So the more consistent that you are, the more organic reach you're gonna have. The second way you can maximize your reach is through blog posts. And just like the other one, you can use Deepseek to generate those posts for you. The platform you're gonna use to publish those posts is called Medium. As you can see here, Medium is 100% free as well to start. It has a high organic reach and millions of monthly users. So again, you just go back to Deepseek and just follow the prompts that I have left in the text file. The first prompt I have left here to give me the idea, the structure for the blog post. It gave me the whole outline, and with the second prompt, it's gonna finish the whole blog post for me using the outline from the above. And quickly I have the whole blog post ready. It gave me the title, it gave me the description, and the whole content. All I have to do now is copy everything here, head over to Medium, and publish my article. And the last way, and one of my favorites, is through short form faceless content. Just like in the last step, you can use Deepseek to generate the scripts of the videos for you. And if you need a voiceover, you can just head over to platform like 11 Labs to make the voiceover for you. And you can generate the images using Leonardo AI. Or if you have some money to invest, you can start for free using InVideo AI and then pay for the subscription. In my opinion, InVideo is way better because it's easier. You're just gonna select the text to video option. You're gonna copy the whole script from Deepseek, and then you're gonna post the script inside the InVideo, and in seconds you're gonna have the whole video ready to be published. And remember, all of these methods, you have to add a call to action linking to your ebooks. And that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna be bringing next week more videos talking about Deepseek. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button.